परफेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्सचे संपूर्ण ऑटोमॅटिक ऑटो लेक्चर बेल आणि ऑटो राष्ट्रगीत प्लेअर सिस्टीम शाळा कॉलेजसाठी अत्यंत उपयुक्त. उत्पादक परफेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स MIDC वाई. फ्री डेमोसाठी संपर्क 98 222 41 255.
Good morning, myself Dr. R.V. Dhekale, Perfect Electronics MIDC Y. Now I will show the demo of CCTV trainer kit. This is the CCTV trainer kit. This is the operating manual. By reading this manual, anybody can do the experiments on this CCTV trainer kit. Now it consists of this monitor, 2 cameras, what SMPS, that means switch mode power supply, DVR, that means digital video recorder, and this is the security systems. Now we shall see the wiring. Now this monitor has a AC mains cord. This is 230 volts is applied here. This is the HDMI cord. One end of the HDMI cord goes to the monitor. Other end of the HDMI goes to the DVR. Now this is the mains cord of the switch mode supply. See, this is the other output 12 volt DC which goes to the 2 cameras. See, this is the one of the cord. This is the 12 volt supply goes to the first camera. This is the power supply cord, and video produced in the camera, that video signal goes back to the VDR. This is for first camera. For second camera, see, 12 volt DC supply from SMPS goes to the second camera. This is the cord for 12 volt supply, and video produced by this camera, this cord goes to the DVR again. Now we shall see the fault switches. There are 4 fault switches are given here. F1 is the fault switch. If this switch, lever of the switch is taken in downward directions, the SMPS work properly. If this switch, lever of the switch is taken in upward directions, 12 volt goes off. That means there will be no fix. This is the second fault, F2. If lever of the switch is taken in upward directions, then this motion sensor will not work. If lever of the switch is taken in downward directions, then sensor will work. Security system consists display, LCD display. It also consists the reset switch here, and this is the RFID scanner. By the use of this RFID or this RF key, we can activate these security systems. This is the 4x4 keyboard which is used to give the password. This is the buzzer. This is the F3 switch. Third fault can be introduced for the buzzer. If lever of the switch of F3 is taken in upward directions, this buzzer will be disconnected. And if lever of the switch is downward directions, then buzzer will be enabled. This is the fault F4 is used to introduce the fault in the siren. If lever of the switch is taken upward directions, this siren will be disabled. And if lever of this switch is taken in downward directions, it will be active. Now we shall see how monitor is configured. See, so we have to press the right click. This menu will come here, and we have to use the 2 camera. But in this case, view 4 sections will be there. If there would be 4 cameras, there would be 4 pictures. But 2 cameras are used here, and here we have to press view 4. Then this picture will come here, and all the picture video will be recorded in digital video recorder. And now we shall see how the security system works. Now this RFID, if is scan here, then this card is denied. Now we shall use this RF key here. See, access is granted. Now this motion sensor is working. Now this buzzer is produced. That means buzzer is on here. See. Now we shall activate this. After some time it will be off. Now we shall. I am steady now. I am giving the motion in front of motion sensor C. First motion is detected. Now second time. See, motion is detected and sound is produced from the siren. This is the working for this.
परफेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स वाई आयोजित 6 दिवसांचं प्रॅक्टिकल बेस्ड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स अँड कम्प्युटर इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग.
पात्रता इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आणि कम्प्युटरचे शिक्षण आवश्यक. बीई, डिप्लोमा, बीएससी, एमएससी झालेल्यांसाठी उपयुक्त.
या ट्रेनिंगमध्ये भरपूर प्रॅक्टिकलसह मुलाखतीची तयारी करून घेतली जाते, ज्यामुळे जॉब मिळणं सोपं जातं.
ट्रेनिंगसाठी संपर्क डॉक्टर ढेकळे, परफेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स MIDC वाई. मोबाईल 98 222 41 255.